Okay, we're live. It's part 66, segment 1. It is July 28th. Lou has got the belt-driven AC compressor installed. Got a fan belt on it. He ran a vacuum leak overnight and it did not hold.
Right.
Did not hold. It leaked down. So this morning he put an air pressure connection on it about 100 pounds. And when I got here, we started chasing with the soap, and we found bubbles coming out of this end. Small, but a leak. So we took that hose off and recrimped this fitting, and now there's no more bubbles. We've put 100 pounds of pressure back on it, and we're going to let it sit.
Yeah, she's staying there.
Yeah, it's needles are in the same position as when we started, so it's not leaking. So how long do you want to let that go?
We'll just go ahead and start pulling the vacuum on it now, I guess.
Okay, so we're gonna take the positive 100 pounds of air pressure off, and we're gonna start pulling a vacuum on it and see how that goes. So, as mentioned in the last video, Lou had to get fittings for here, new ones for that end, and new ones for this end. And if you notice, this is a little different looking hose because the Chinese number 10, right, Lou?
Yeah.
Chinese number 10 hose that we had left over from the electric AC would not fit over the fitting, so Lou had to go get some American hose.
Yeah.
Yeah. So got some American reduced number 10 and it fit over okay. So, all right, we're going to pull a vacuum on this. I'm going to pause and we'll get back to you later. Take care. All right, back same day. We put approximately 2 small mini cans of R134 in, about 18 ounces, and we've got on the gauges, when running, we had about 245, 250, and about 35 on the low pressure side. And inside, we had about 52 to 54 degrees Fahrenheit of discharge air, which is cool. Let me see, what, yeah, we're at 87. Ambient, so we would say, what, Lou, we're probably there, right?
Yeah, pretty damn close.
Yep. What did the radiator temperature get up to?
Well, according to the gauge in the truck, it's inside it's about 230, 220.
Yeah, it does. It says 220 on the mechanical gauge here. What do you think?
No. Okay. Gonna have to pull this shit off.
Oh yeah, let me back up a little bit. We pulled a vacuum on it, let it sit for probably half an hour, and there was no sign of a vacuum leak. So then we disconnected that and moved the car out and inserted the R134 Alpha mini cans, these guys, and we had difficulty with these fittings not really opening the valve, but we got it. This can is empty. This can has about 2 ounces left in it. Got roughly about 18 ounces in, so that should be okay, right?
Should be.
So everything's working, right?
Yeah.
So, Lou, you can probably put the grill back on, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna work on this here piece, try to raise this up a little bit.
Oh, do an alignment here.
Yeah.
All right, so that pretty much catches us up to date, right?
Yeah.
So, oh yeah, the leaky new hose. We put the hose back in the hydraulic press here and crimped it even more, which took care of the leak. I suppose I should. Oh, you know what? Where's the soap bubble stuff?
What's that?
Where's the soap bubble stuff?
Oh, it's up here.
Let me go check that fitting. Hi.
But you don't get burnt.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna set this down for a minute. Sorry for the thing. All right. There's no sign of any leaks where we redid that joint. So it should be okay. Okay. I'm going to take a pause here. Back again after a short pause. Lou and I were discussing yesterday that the body is in such bad shape body-wise. I mean, as you can look here, you can see where a piece was welded in. It's rough as a cob. This has been dented out. It's all rough. It's screwed up down there, down here. The fiberglass body is a general mess with crap and shit all over here. I mean, you know, you can see there's dents. This thing, the fiberglass was made in 2 half pieces along the center line, and then fiberglass together. You can see where this has got a crack in it. And you recall from earlier that this whole piece is all screwed up, as is this piece, this stuff. Again, bottom line is it would probably take a small fortune to get the body to a decent shape, as well as a paint job, which ain't cheap anymore. So
Hours and hours of body work on this baby.
So considering the body, the only thing we're going to do is we're in the queue for the guy to make us an aluminum louvered hood, right?
Right.
And that'll be the extent, I think, of where we're going. We're probably going to back off and not have any videos for a while. Lou will put the grill back on. And we're kind of at a somewhat of an end here, right? So,
Yeah, it's kind of getting there.
all right, so with that, I'll bid you goodbye and close this video out, which I think is part 66, segment 1. Anyway, that's it for now. Take care, everybody. We appreciate it. Catch you all later. Bye-bye.